making one fire alarm. We are taking some components. I will show you. Wait. First we are taking buzzer, one light buzzer, and we are taking some this one light filament not capacity, one capacity. Inside is there this small bulb, glass bulb is there, and we are taking 9-volt battery, HW battery, and we are taking one cardboard, normal cardboard. We all are assembled there, right? First we are taking some copper wire inside that one. First take the wire. First put it down here, one neat place here. I'll stab it. Wait sometime. The stapler is there now. First you put it there. Like that, perfectly. Perfectly put it there. Looks neatly. And buzzer also we are putting here, this place. Neatly putting there. And this is 9-volt battery. See, when put it here, buzzer will go. First we are plus minus is there no. Black wire put here minus. This wire put plus. Wait, I will show you. Put it here. When you this last I will tell how to on this one. First we put it neatly, stab this one. Neatly put this one. Project will be nice. Wait, I will put it here. Staple will be tight. That's late. Okay, this is over, and put it there perfectly. Put it there perfectly and stab it. Last one instrument water. That item is component one, lighter component. We want to fire this fire alarm. This fire alarm want means we fire this. Wait, I will show you. Okay, perfect. I cut this piece, last piece. What we should know, first you lighter on. All put it like this. First we want to lighter on. on the lighter. 5 to 10 seconds is taking time. It will go. Nice project. It will off. 1 to 5 seconds it will off. This is nice project, no? In homes, in any way we put it like this, fire will come. It will heat, filament heat, battery, filament heat. Inside one two terminals has there, that when put it this fire, that filaments to attach, and buzzer will start warning. This is nice project, no? Forget to like, share, subscribe.